SmarterKids uses immersive interactive stories to let children play key roles in the story, so they fall in love with studying. No more "I don't wanna study" complaints from children. Plenty of interactions between students and teacher to improve children's communication skill and language capability. Discussion and competition lead children to learn from different sources, learn to actively think and express, and practice logical thinking. Let's start. Our top education research team adopted the two leading early child development systems, the play-based learning innovative education methodology from Stanford and the Guide of Children Cognitive Development from China, and together create our unique self-driven study system for children. In this system, children can achieve self-driven study all by themselves and liberate the parents.